Friends, here is the introduction to medical social work. What is the definition about MSW, medical social work? What does health and social care mean? Health and social care is the treatment of ill health and medical conditions in hospitals, health centers, and in the community. Social care is the care and support of vulnerable people, usually in the community. What is medical social work? Medical social work is the application and adoption of the method and philosophy of social work in the field of health and medical care. Medical social work as a primary method deals with the biopsychological spiritual elements of an individual with the problem and assesses the pliability and strength of patients' social support system and their families to assist the patients resolve their problems independently. What about the history and background? 1880 to 900. In England, after the mental patients were discharged, visitors and nurses were asked to give advice to them. Dr. Charles Emerson's USA opinion that medical science should also include the study of emotional and social problems. He suggested that medical students should work as a volunteer under the charities and agencies. In year 1905, Boston Medical Institutions appointed MSW, medical social work, for the first time. And in India, during the last 8 decades, the professional social work has contributed drastically for the well-being of poor and less privileged. When professional social work entered in 1936, India was a colonial country. The first medical social worker was appointed in 1946 in J.J. Hospital, Bombay. In 1960s, the scope of medical social work increased in India. Nature and scope. Medical social work is based on assumption of the individual's dignity, guided and inspired by basic values of social work. According to the medical social work, health refers to the state of condition in which an individual is capable of utilizing all the capacities of his social living. The treatment is not the final solution for illness in medical social work. Disease and the diseased person are different from each other. Medical science gives emphasis on the disease but ignores the importance of the diseased person. Medical social work studied the diseased person, the social aspect of the disease. Medical social work deals with the prevention of disease, aftercare of the patients, and social rehabilitation of the patients. So, medical social work cannot be limited to the treatment of disease only. It deals with those problems of the patient which are related to the physical and psychological environment. It is oriented towards the assistance of the people who, during their treatment, face social, physical, economical, and psychological problems. Medical social work considers human health with a broad perspective. Roles of medical social workers. Over time, social work's function and influence in healthcare setting have expanded significantly, but basically what a social healthcare worker does is treating the whole person by taking a biopsychological approach to the outreach, assessment, intervention, and care. Many social workers in a healthcare setting provide patients and their families with the counseling and information about the referral to needed resources. Example, home healthcare, financial assistance, nursing home placement. Social workers are also skilled in organizing and facilitating support groups for various populations such as cancer patients, rape victims, and parents of seriously impaired infants. They work to enhance the availability of community-based resources. Example, healthcare clinics in low-income neighborhoods or residential program for children with AIDS. Advocate on behalf of individual patients who are in need of services and advocate to ensure the important public policy issues related to healthcare are addressed. Example, funding for lead screening or guidelines concerning involuntary commitment of mentally ill individual to psychiatric hospitals. Medical social work. As a medical social worker, helping the patient and their family is your top priority. Your responsibilities and duties will change from day to day and from patient to patient. You will become their primary advocate, helping them through a difficult time that can often take a toll on patient physically, financially and emotionally. By being at their side as both a guide and a compassionate listener, you can play a key role in changing their experience and their outcomes. What are the duties and responsibilities of a medical social worker? Number 1. To work as a team member in the multidisciplinary team consisting doctors, nursing and paramedical staff to coordinate and help the patient's family and other team members maintain liaison with the hospital team. Second, to make the patient and his family understand the medical problem or disability he is suffering from in a language the patient and his family can understand. To help the patient cope with the disability, illness and make him adjust to it emotionally. Third, to assess the social condition of the patients and provide appropriate counseling. Fourth, to help the patient find ways and means to financially manage with the illness, disability, making the patient manage and tap resources for carrying out his treatment and support the family. Fifth, to help arrange financial support for carrying out patient's treatment when needed from governmental and non-governmental organizations. In addition, suggest ways to the patient and his family to reduce economic burden on the family. Sixth, to advise the persons with disability on available disability benefits from the government and help them to get those benefits. Seventh, to help the persons with disability and his family sort out internal personal problem as a result of illness, disability. To help restore the role of such a person, such a father, son, mother, daughter, husband or a wife, etc. in the family. Eighth, to help the person with disability or illness to adjust to his environment, including issues of removal of architectural barriers and encouraging independence in the patients. Ninth, to assist with the doctor in the discharge planning, making protocols, and to involve patient and family members in the social work. 10th, to help the patient in smooth transition from hospital to the community and maintain the link with the patient, the community and the health services. To do follow-up with family so as to stabilize the gains made during treatment. This may involve casework, one-to-one counseling method, group work and community organization. 11th, to reach out to the people in their homes to convince them about the preventive measures and explain nature of illness and treatment involved. 12th, to create awareness among the people to stimulate people's participation in healthcare programs. 13th, to educate, interact with the community to help the community adjust with patients having disability or illness. To make the community adaptive for the disabled to help them integrate the disabled with them. 14th, to participate in the training programs of student in medical social work, other paramedical students, nursing students and NSS volunteers and other interested groups. 15th, to work in community-based rehabilitation programs. What are the work principles and methods? Working principles. Medical social work is mainly social techniques and mostly humanitarian. Medical social work is mainly social techniques and mostly humanitarian in nature, enabling the patient for solving his problem, building up his capacities, determining determining the social and psychological influence and developing proper environment, developing the willpower and determination of the patient, enabling the patients to adjust with their problems are most important principles. What are the working methods? A. Case study. B. Direct method of assistance. A. Social casework. B. Social group work. C. Indirect methods of assistance. What are the parts of this? A. Community organization. B. Social administration. C. Social insurance and social security. D. Social action. E. Social work research. यहाँ तक तो बनाओ वीडियो, ठीक है।